Welcome back, friends. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to take research notes. There are two ways that you can find information about your topic. One of them is by using print resources like this. You might have a book at your house about your topic, especially if it's a topic you're interested in. If you do have a book around that shows you or teaches you more about your topic, I want you to check two places for your topic, the table of contents and the index. I chose for my example report to write about hammerhead sharks. So I looked in this book about sharks, which is about all kinds of sharks, but I had to just find information on hammerhead sharks. So I went to the table of contents and I found that, yep, on page 56, there's a chapter all about hammerheads. So I'm going to go directly to that chapter and read more about hammerhead sharks. You can see by looking at my anchor chart that I'm going to be organizing my facts in a few different ways. Specifically, I'm looking for information on habitat, diet, physical characteristics, physical characteristics, that means the body of the shark, and special features, which means anything that's kind of unique and special about the animal that you've chosen. Here's my page all about hammerhead sharks. I could have also found this information by going to the index. The index is a search tool, as you know, that's in the back of a book. You learned this in 3rd grade. And if I look under H, because indices are always organized alphabetically, I can see, oh, hammerhead sharks are mentioned on all of these pages. So I've got two places to look for in a print resource like this to find facts about sharks, hammerhead sharks. But you can also do digital research, and that's a big push right now because we're not using our library. And that is made so easy by Clever. I'm so glad that we have Clever. So when you go to Clever and you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you will see a little icon for World Book. And if you click on World Book and you go into either the kids section or the students section and then search for your topic, you're going to find more information about that topic. One of the things that I learned today when I went on to World Book is that the habitat of the hammerhead shark is in warm and tropical waters. They live both in the open sea and next to the coastline. So I don't want to, on my research notes, I don't want to write that whole sentence. I really just want to remember the important points so that when I go to do my drafting, then I have those facts ready to make my sentences out of. So under habitat, I'm just going to write bullet point, because this is not a sentence, it's just a quick list. Warm waters, open sea, or coastline. That's not a sentence. Those are just words that help me remember that fact that I learned. And I also learned that what makes the hammerhead shark unique is that it has a flat and wide head that's kind of in the shape of a hammer. And they have an eye on each side and they have a nostril on each side of their head. And the scientists think that that's supposed to, or they are like that because it helps them to sense where their food is a little bit better. So where would I put that? Special features, or would it be a physical characteristic? I suppose it could go either place. This time I'm going to write it in physical characteristics because it's about their body. So I know you can't see this right now, but or here, let me see if I can do this. Oh my goodness, I'm so tricky here. Okay, so hammer-shaped head, got my bullet point, eye and nostril, oops, forgot an S, nostril on each side. Again, I'm not writing a full sentence. I'm just writing enough information to help me remember what I learned about hammerhead sharks so that when it comes time for drafting, I can take these different ideas, stretch them out, and elaborate them, and organize them into an informational report. Hope that helps.